Ow! So I'm starting with the head. That's usually where I start. Just kind of getting a feel for where that ear is going to come in. And then I like that swooping line for that angled ear. I just feel it really captures the essence of it. Just getting a feel for the facial features. And I'm not going totally by exactly what I see, by what I see, of course, but I'm just getting the essence of it. It's a gesture drawing. We're not worrying about perfect details. We're just getting the feeling of the subject, which of course is a putty tat. I do a lot of feeling my way around before I commit pen to paper. And when I'm putting in this line for the eyes, I'm paying careful attention to the roundness of the head. It's not a perfect sphere, of course, but it's fairly round. So I want that line to go around that sphere. And this is kind of the pocket where the eyes are going to go. I'm always coming up with new little ways to mark where I want features. And by all means, don't feel like you have to do it exactly the way I do. Find your own way. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Take what works for you and make it your own. Maybe not everything I show you will work for you, but you might find something similar to it. Search your own intuition as well. Just a hint of that cat's back end in there. And I really like this swooping line across the front paws. If you just allow it to just kind of be, just getting the natural swoops and curves, I find it has more life and movement. So getting the muzzle in there. Just kind of getting a feel for where that eye is going to be. Kind of comes down from that ear. Yeah, just feeling out where that next eye's got to be. And this is the eye that's more difficult, especially for beginners, because of the perspective. It appears smaller and different shaped because of the perspective we're looking at it from. And the corners of the ears really serve as guiding lines as to where the eyes are going to be. Trust your intuition too. Don't just trust the photo that you're working from. Ask yourself before you put the pen down to the paper, does it feel right here? Or does it need to move even a smidge? And that just comes with a lot of practice. The more you do it, the better you get at it, for sure. I like to squeak a little smirk in there. And just a suggestion of hair. And then I just love those tabby lines by the eyes. I just feel like it makes it look like the cat's wearing glasses. And I just get those toe lines in quickly. Just a suggestion of toe lines. Because I find if I fuss getting them exactly the same way as the photo, it loses life. It makes it look stiff and awkward. Again, just a suggestion, a gesture. It took me many years to reach the point where I could just go with gesture and suggestion and intuition. And that's why I want to pass it along to others and hopefully give you folks a bit of a boost. Show you some of the things that it took me years to learn. And you want to go easy on the feature details in a drawing like this, because otherwise they won't look like they fit. But that being said, of course, everyone has their own style. Go with yours, explore yours, discover yours. It's there. You just got to have confidence and trust. When I'm adding feature markings at this stage, I'm really cautious. I take it slow and I really think, do I really need this line, or is it just going to be extra noise in the drawing? And I'm cautious about doing these tabby lines up to the forehead too, because it can take the eye out of the drawing. So I just go slow and with caution, because I like to have some in there. Just got to know when to quit. It's not always easy. And we'll get a suggestion of this lovely kitty's markings. Ginger and white. Just a suggestion. And keep in mind too that the M on the forehead, which all tabbies have, it helps shape the head too. You want those lines to be going around the curve of the head, and same as the ones beside the eyes and everything. Always paying attention to the curve of the cat's body. So as you're drawing, think of yourself as sculpting. You're going around, your lines are going around the shape of the cat. And we can call that cross contour drawing. So you're following the contour of the cat. I'm really liking this so far. Darken up those eyes to make them stand out a little more, because the eyes, for me anyways, are the focal point. I got a few focal points in this drawing. The eyes, the mouth line, and the lovely little paw on the right hand side. The rest is important too, but I want to play those areas up a little more. Yeah, I'm showing you here the lines, the how the rhythm and flow, the lines that connect the drawing. So do you see what I'm doing here? That swoop up from the chin to the ear. So thank you so much for watching. And I've got some links in the description. You can join our Facebook group. It's a growing community of crazy cat artists. So we'd be happy to see you there, and you'll find some other links too. And I try to get at least one, but often two videos up here every week. So I hope you subscribe so you join us for future videos. We'll see you next time.